idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. So what a stage for the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. England have appointed this master tactician. I wonder what you think of him, Jim.
Well, if ever there was a manager, Peter, who could strike for goal!
Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
That was one quality pass away from being a very decent chance. Looked very promising.
France seemed to have chosen a shot at goal! The clever use of counter-attacking, that's the real highlight.
France take the lead, 1-0.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
England are seeing plenty of the ball at the moment, but still they trail. Barry, Vardy, needed a better pass there. How about it? And Beckham!
Smart control and technique.
Played out to the right. Sancho. Neymar. Barry. 15 minutes till half-time. Now it's Vardy. Well positioned to make that interception. That's surely a foul, free kick. Maguire drives it forward. Scholes. Vardy. Now it's Beckham. Hoists it forward. He's through, now is he in? Lewandowski! Gets up to head it! Really well taken goal. A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control.
Anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
France have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way,
And Vardy! Perfect timing!
England are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now.
Away from immediate danger. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on.
That first half, Peter, and it's a fragile lead that could quite easily change hands in the second. If you like your football unpredictable, I think you're at the right match.
And we're already back underway here.
England don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first if they don't grab an early goal in this second half. They can't hold back, though.
Well played, he saw that coming. A little accusatory stare there tells the whole story.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
And it's Gerrard. England disappointing in the end there. They lack urgency. Looks to clip it forward. Cleared away. Puts it back.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Gerrard. Gerrard. Lewandowski. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Shade too heavy, keeper can pick that up. Gerrard. And it's Scholes. There's the through ball. Vardy. And hits one! His urge to shoot. And he duly delivered.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they paid the price and deserved to.
We have ourselves a real game here.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Played back in.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
And it's played forward. Now it's Vardy. Oisbrook tries a shot! Goal! England! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward! Vardy versus the keeper, and only one winner.
Well, how's that for composure, Peter?
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
England go into the lead.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way. France have a simple task to find something sustained now and keep the pressure on.
The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. He's pinged one through here. Zuma positions himself well and cuts it out. Davis. Davis takes the long option. And that is that. England have done it in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. A truly outstanding comeback by any measure. So what do you take away from it all, Tim?
England have some very strong runners from midfield, and it's not often you'll see a team be so effective by advancing through the middle like